Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been missing in action for a while. This has to do with the fact that I just put to bed and then I discovered a lot of my jeans trousers are not sizing me anymore, so I just decided to do a bit of upcycling with two of them. So this is what you get whenever you want to try this. Just get something that is on the size, or you can just get an old jean to do this tutorial. So the first thing is just to remove all these things from the way, because it's going to put a damper on any kind of cotton. So the best thing is to put them aside, because we're going to use them or put them back later. And it's good to be back because I miss this a lot. So the first thing, just get the main trouser you want and then roll it down like this and cut. I prefer this jean to be the base of everything because this is actually my favorite jean. That's part of the reason I refused to give it away. I decided to upcycle it instead. So I'm just going to cut out this like this. So just look for a ruler or anything straight to roll down like this, and then you cut. So the edge is going to be a bit difficult because it's a stiff, like it's very thick. So take your time to do this tutorial. You just have to take your time, no hurrying anyway. So I'm going to use this same pattern to cut the other part of the jean. So I refuse to redo this voiceover. If you notice, my baby voice is coming through, but that's my life right now. I have an infant, so I'm just going to adjust to it. So bear with the voices, any voice that comes into this recording. So now I'm through with this, the cutting of the both sides of the trouser. So this is where we are going to attach the extra jean fabric. So I'm using my phone as a guide to the width of the joining, or should I call it attachment. So this is what I'm using. You can just use any size if you want it to be bigger, more boogers. I just want it to be a bit fit but not that tight on the tine area, so that's why I'm just using that size. Honestly, the end result of this tutorial is so worth this whole process. Like, I'm so in love with this whole new jean trouser. Like, it's almost as if it's store bought. Like, I just got it something, from the boutique, or I don't know what to say. It's so awesome. So this is actually for the front and back part of the jean. So before I attach it, I'm just going to feather it, like just remove the threading to create this whole design. This is it. You can make it a bit more than this if you want, but I like it like this, just moderate. So I'm just going to do it for just the two front parts of the jean. The back, I'm going to do something else, so just keep watching. So now I'm just going to attach. The way to attach this is you stitch it down, top stitch it, yes, and then don't even bother to do inside out or anything like that. Just top stitch like this on both sides. That's the way to do it. And then you can use a needle and thread if you don't have any sewing machine. It's even easy to do such. Okay, a quick note, I decided to sew the top parts of this jean inside out, just to be able to control the size in case it was too big or maybe it's too small. That's the place I'll do the adjusting. So once you do that, you just sew on top afterwards. So that top part, it's just for you to be able to control the size of the waist. So this is both sides done now. Now it's just for me to fix in the back side of the jean. So if you notice, I take in the top part a bit just to fit in with my waist. So you do yours the same way. Now for the back part, you're just going to sew it inside out. Do the joinings inside out, just like this. So you do the other end like this. So before you do the final closure, just put in back the back pockets. This makes it look more original, more ready-made, and professional, like make it look neat and stylish. So now I'm just going to sew down the other parts, the other ends together, just like this. So just follow through the video like this, and then you will be able to create. So these back parts, you notice I did a bit of slant just to take in the waist. See, this is the back parts. Man, I love this jean. I don't even know how to explain it. So next I'm just going to cut the down parts and then of course feather it. The base jean is a bit longer, so I wanted to keep it like that just to create a style. So this is it, the finished work. I hope you love this video. Please like, share, and of course subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and then see you on my next video. Bye for now.